Hi, my friends. Are you ready to do some more learning today? All right, today is all about the k sound. Repeat after me. Here's our new sound we learned yesterday. CH chorus k. Fantastic. And why don't we also do a little warm up with one of our posters? How about vowel teams? Let's go from this part down. Repeat after me. IGH, light I. OA, boat O. OE, toe O. OW, snow O. OW, plow ow. OU, trout ow. OU, soup oo. UI, suit oo. UE, blue oo. UE, rescue you. EW, chew oo. OO, school ooh. OO, book ooh. Remember that ghost? We have the scary ghost that says ooh like school. And then we have the ghost that jams the book into his stomach when he falls and it says ooh. Fantastic. Okay, and let's review some of our sound alikes. We will do the ones from yesterday and we'll do a few others from earlier in the year. Okay, here we go. What cell is this? What does this mean? Yeah, this is like a cell, like in science. Our bodies are made of lots of cells with a C. What does this one say? Cell. What does that mean? Can you use it in a sentence? I'm going to sell you a pen. What piece is this? Like peace out, calm and peaceful. What does this word say? What's your sentence? Can I have one little tiny piece of cake? What's this word? Sentence. Penny candy costs 1 cent. Love it. And this one? What's your sentence? Oh, you sent me a Valentine? That's so sweet. And this one? Ooh, what's that scent? Someone needs to take out the garbage. The scene in the movie, the scene where he fell off the bridge, but then he was caught by the boat and the fireman. The scene. And how about a sentence for this word? Have you seen where the kite is in the sky? Yeah, to see. It's got the word see right in it. And here's our new ones. What's this one? Oh, new. It's our new word. Something we haven't had before. And how about this new? I knew it. Okay, 2 more words. What's this one? Knight. Knight in shining armor. And good night. Okay, great job, everybody. So let's talk a little more about k. Please grab your whiteboards, and on your whiteboards, I want you to write everything that says k. You should be writing down 4 sounds. Come on, get it going. What says k? C says k. K says k. What else? CK says k. And our latest learning, CH says k. Very good. So let's see. I am going to give you some words to write. They all have k in them. And you need to write it and decide which k. So if you go into your student notebook, in the beginning, we looked at the spelling option page yesterday. We know all of these words are ways to say k, right? We have cat, kite, sock, and chorus, all of those ways. And if you look in the spelling options, you will have a little bit of support as well. Okay, so if you're some of them you're not sure, you have your dictionary part, or you can always look it up in a real dictionary. Okay, that's what we should do if we're not sure which one it is. Are you ready to give it a try? Okay, here's your first word. Mechanic. A mechanic is someone who fixes a car. Mechanic. Write it on your whiteboard. Where do you hear the k sound? M, k, and ick. There's two of them. Think about all your rules. There's 3 syllables. Okay, check it with, pause here if you need more time. You might want to look in your spelling options, and then I'm going to put the answer up. Mech is the first one, and is the middle syllable, and ick. We know when we hear ick at the end in a multisyllabic word, what is it? Icy. So put it all together, mechanic looks like this. That's the CH one right there. Mechanic. Okay, let's try another word. School. Where do we hear the k? School. So here's the spelling option part. If you don't know what it is, this is where you should really look it up. School. Okay, did you do it? All right, I'll replace it. It is CH in this word. CH says k. All right, let's try another one. Let's do chemical. There's 2 k's. K, M, I, call. Okay, go ahead, work on chemical and look it up if you get stuck. Chemical. All right, the first k is the CH, and what is this one? It's a C, chemical. Check that yours looks like mine, chemical. Great job. All right, your next word is chaos. If something is utterly and total chaos, it's kind of just crazy. Sometimes field day can feel like chaos, but in a good way. Okay, we hear the k, a, as. Chaos. Look in your spelling options if you're not sure about chaos. Which k sound is that? Speaking of chaos, this little boy creates some chaos. Okay, did you come up with how to do the k sound? The beginning sound here, CH for chaos. All right. Let's do another one. Your next word is lick. I want to lick all the ice cream out of the bowl. It's at the end, right after a short vowel. You know that one for sure, don't you? Let me see what you came up with. That one is CK. CK is when it's at the end of a 1-syllable word after a vowel. When it's a 2-syllable word, it's just IC. Let's try this one. Public. If this is lick, then what is public? Public. The C is at the end. Go ahead and work on public. Public. Just IC, right? When it's at the end of a 2 or multisyllabic word. Okay. Let's see. We will do one more word today. It's going to be a tricky one. Let's do, oh, you ready? Bronchitis. Bronchitis is a sickness that affects your lungs. Bronchitis. tis. Bron is the first syllable. Chi, tis. Go ahead and work on that. Bron, chi. There's the k. Tis. Looking it up if you're not sure. It is in the spelling option section on page 44. So take the time to look if you're not sure about bronchitis. And remember, another thing you can do is write it all the possible ways. It couldn't be CK because that's only at the end of a word, but it could be bronchitis, or it could be bronchitis, or it could be bronchitis. Maybe one of these looks right to you. Maybe one of them doesn't. Maybe you don't know. Bronchitis. And it's this one right here. It is a CH. Look, this one auto-corrected. Hey, who turned the lights off? Oh my goodness, talk about chaos. The lights are out again. This is getting crazy. I'm glad I don't have bronchitis. Okay, everybody at home. Great jobs with those words. The last thing I want to know is, since we're talking about C and K, who remembers when it's C and when it's K? There's a rule. Do you remember? Okay, here's your reminder poster on that. K takes the I and E. Here's like your kite. And C takes the other three. A, O, U. See the little cat? So usually if we're using C, it's when it's followed by these vowels, and we're using K when it's followed by I and E. So that can kind of help you when it's followed by I and E, or when it's followed by A, O, or U. And then we also know that CK is at the end of a one syllable word right after a vowel. All right, so those are our rules. And this week, we're going to continue to look at why sometimes it's CH and some other weird combos that make sounds you're not used to. Nice job, everybody.